just saying you new, bitch. It boosts my self-esteem. Back up on my bullshit.
Hey guys, I'm back, and today I'll be doing a tutorial on how I achieve my curls. So before we get into this video, please like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you so much for watching. So first thing first, girl, take that bonnet off. I retwisted my hair a little bit. I'm not a professional, but I have been retwisting my hair for years, and I think I've been doing a pretty good job. If you are a beginner with your locks, this is definitely a tip for you, because nobody told me how to do it when I was axing. I had a hairstylist use the flexi rods, and I am not a fan of flexi rods. Trying to sleep in flexi rods? No, ma'am. Not cool. So you can go to the dollar and get some pipe cleaners, and I recommend that your hair is damp before you put the pipe cleaners in. So I have this bottle that I use whenever I retwist my hair. I put coconut oil in it because I want my hair to stay hydrated. I really love my hair. It's so cute. So if you are tired of your hair being straight and want a cute style, or you want to curl your hair, this is definitely a good idea. So I definitely do one dread at a time. So I take the pipe cleaner and I go at the end. I fold it over the bottom. Take the tail in, and I just start twisting it. Just like that. So you take each individual dreadlock so you can have the nice detail curl that you want. I highly recommend you leave these pipe cleaners in for 2 to 4 business days. Look at me. Business days. That's what I say when I'm selling my clothes. Shipping's only 2 to 4 business days. No problem. Anyway, so 2 to 4 days. Just leave them in. But since we are in quarantine and we're not going anywhere, I'm going to leave mine in for like a week and take them out. Just like that. Just so simple. It's not that big of a deal. So I'm going to go ahead and go all the way around my head, and I will speed up this video so you can see the whole thing. Okay. I'm finishing up the last one. And this is the finished results when I'm wearing it in the pipe cleaners. I actually can wear my hair like this all day long for weeks and weeks at a time because it looks so cute like this. So now I'm getting ready to show you the results on how my hair looks when the pipe cleaners are out.
I'd rather keep it real with ya.
Real hot girl shit. It ain't always about what you like, sometimes it's about what's right. I'd rather be a B-C-H, cause that's what you gon' call me when I'm trippin' anyway. You know you can't control me, baby. You need a real one in your life. The bitches ain't gon' give it to you, right? I'd rather be a B-C-H, cause that's what you gon' call me when I'm trippin' anyway. You know you can't control me, baby. You need a real one in your life. The bitches ain't gon' give it to you, right? Why you wanna play?